where is the electric field straight up in the presence of, and this is a positive charge here. Okay, so let's ponder this. Let's answer the where, where we're going to be. Let's see, and then we also need to figure out the R. Okay, so we're going to use this formula, right? E is K, whoops, KQ over R squared, okay? But let's just think about the where on this thing, right? That's a positive charge, and the electric field is away from it, right? So if I'm here, the electric field will be to the right, but this one's straight up. So that can't be, we're not to the right of it. And if we're below it, it would be down, but this electric field is straight up. So it can't be that we're below it. And if we're to the left of it, it's straight to the left. So it can't be that we're to the left of the charge. If we're above it though, the electric field is straight up. So we are above said charge. Okay, that's the answer to where we are. But now let's figure out the distance we are from it, right? Okay, well, if E is KQ over R squared, then R squared is KQ over E, and R then is the square root of that, right? So R is the square root of 8.99 E9 times charge 13 E minus 6, right? Notice we're taking the square root, okay? If that had been a negative charge, honestly, I'd just stick the positive in there. But let me just say you don't have to do that. This could be a negative, right? But the electric field could also be negative, okay? Because if the E is positive, that means it's away, right? But an electric field toward a charge would be in the negative direction. Okay, so this is in the direction of, there's like a radius vector that just points away from any charge. And that you'll see that in college, right? It'll be times this little unit vector, and the radius vector literally just points away from it. So if you're toward it, this electric field becomes negative, okay? In reality, most of the time, I don't think that hard. I just make these positive. Okay, so let's see, 1.25 times 10 to the 4th is my electric field, and now I'm ready to do that. I'm going to do alpha F1 too. I'm going to throw a fraction in there because I'm just a fancy kind of guy. Okay, times 13 E minus 6, 1.25 E to the 4th. I'm getting 3.06 meters. So we are 3.06 meters above the 13 microcoulomb, the positive 13 microcoulomb charge. Where do you want more?